Hi, everybody. It's Mr. Bouch. It is Friday, and I just want to send a quick message to everybody and welcome you to the class. I'm very excited for next week. I think we're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to learn a lot too. It's going to be a little weird at first, and that's okay. And you might be a little nervous, but so am I. So this is kind of a new thing. I mean, you did some of this back in the spring, but we have a new platform or a new software, if you want to call it that, called Canvas. And it'll take some time to get used to it, but that's okay. We're going to do this together. Um, just want to remind you to log in every day. And when you go to the Canvas page, you're going to see a little button. It says Zoom. That's what you want to click on at 9 o'clock, and that's going to be our morning meeting time. And then I'll give you some more information about Canvas and how to use it. And we'll do a lot of get to know you activities and some fun stuff, but we're going to take it real slow and real easy at first. And I just want to make everyone comfortable and happy for you and for me. So if you have any questions, make sure mom or dad emails me. That's fine. You can email me anytime. And I'm really looking forward to it. I cannot wait to see you all. I'm hoping you're having a great end of summer, and I'm looking forward to teaching with you and learning and having fun next week. So take care, and I'll see you soon. All right, bye-bye.